If you choose to use crayons for your project in the art studio, you will find them in the back in the drawer labeled crayons. When you open the drawer, you will see boxes of crayons and you may take one box with you back to your table. To begin, just go ahead and open the box and use your crayons like you know how. There should be a variety of crayons available to you and even some unique crayons. My suggestion when you use crayons is that you lightly color first. This will prevent the crayon from breaking and will allow you to add color and difference. If you do choose to color hard, there's a chance of your crayon breaking, like this, as well as it fills up with wax and you can't color on top of it. Using a crayon lightly will allow you to blend multiple colors together. So here I am, I first used green and then I switched to blue, and I'm layering these two colors on top of each other. I'm going in different directions every time I color and lightly using the crayons. This will add more dimension and brightness to my colors. On the other hand, if I did the same thing while pushing really hard, I get this smudgy color. But you can still get that dark intense color if you go over and over and over with your crayons. Now, broken crayons, they still color. So use them just as you normally would to draw whatever it is that you're doing and fill it in. Now, if you find a crayon that you need to remove the paper, you are free to remove the paper. Just remove a little and then you are responsible to throw it away. And then you can use that crayon to draw your design. An additional tip for you to do as you use crayons is to first trace around your design. It's kind of like you mow around the edge of the yard and then you fill in the inside. Carefully trace around the outside so that you can stay inside of your design that you want, as crayons often don't have a defined point. And then you can choose to either color in one direction or, as I'm doing here, it gives the texture some uniqueness and excitement if I color in multiple directions. Coloring in one direction will give it a soft appearance, such as with this apple. If I go in the same direction and then perhaps layer colors on top of it, like this apple, the color is intense. Versus when I colored this one with one color very hard, I got outside the lines and it didn't work right. Now, if you don't feel like mixing colors, you for sure can lightly layer one color on top of itself to have a defined bright color. When you are done, carefully close the crayon box and return it to the crayon drawer. So now that we've reviewed how to use crayons, you are going to model to me how to get out the crayons and then complete a worksheet. On the worksheet, it has 4 boxes. Draw a shape, show me how to blend, show me how to use light and dark pressure, and then explain to me where the crayon boxes can be found. I would not like you to actually write on these worksheets. Instead, I would like you to answer the questions and show me the drawings inside of your sketchbook.